Okay, you've hit the 1 minute SOS button. There's a very good chance you're feeling stressed right now. To begin, I want you to find a place where you can sit, be comfortable, and feel safe for the next minute. We're going to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your calming brakes within your body, and decrease your cortisol, which is your stress hormone. And we do this by deep breathing for the next 60 seconds. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. No matter how stressed you are right now, I want you to focus on my voice and your breath. A deep breath in and a breath out. Now taking one last big breath in and a deep breath out. This exercise has activated your calming brakes within your body. Now just letting everything go and carrying on with your day in a more calm and focused way.